Ever wondered how to stash away $10,000 quicker than you thought possible? According to recent data, a staggering more than 50% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings, highlighting a critical need for actionable saving strategies. In this video, I'm laying out a foolproof step-by-step guide to help you save $10,000 fast. From practical budgeting hacks to savvy investment insights, I've got you covered with everything you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to not only reach, but surpass that $10,000 savings goal. Subscribe to the Wealthy channel, and let's dive in. Step 1. Reverse engineer $10,000 with a deadline. Let's talk about why most people never save $10,000. Because they treat saving like a someday plan, not a mission with a deadline. So the first thing you need to do is set your $10,000 goal with a date. Let's say you want to save it in 6 months. That's roughly $1,667 per month, $417 per week, $55 per day. Suddenly, it feels real. Your brain now has something to chase. Humans work best under pressure and structure. In James Clear's Atomic Habits, he says, "Goals are good for setting direction. Systems are best for making progress." So don't just say, "I'll save." Say, "I'm saving $417 per week starting this Friday." Set a calendar reminder. Write it on your bathroom mirror. Make it visible. Don't just dream it. Make it a target. Number 2. Pay yourself first. Don't rely on willpower. Let me tell you about Priya. She used to earn $5,000 per month but saved nothing. She thought she had a spending problem. Turns out she had a system problem. Once she started automating $1,000 per month to savings on payday, without even seeing it, her bank balance started growing like magic. Why? Because when you pay yourself first, you eliminate choice. How to automate it? Create a second bank account, ideally at a different bank so it's harder to touch. Set up a recurring transfer for $417 per week or $834 every 2 weeks. Bonus tip here is use a high-yield savings account. Some are giving 4-5% interest annually right now. That's $400, $500 per year just for parking your savings there. If you don't automate your savings, your brain will always find a reason to skip it. Number 3. Audit and eliminate the silent killers. Let me ask you this. Do you know where your last $1,000 went? Most people don't know. That's the problem. Let me show you some common monthly spending leaks. Subscriptions, $50 to $100. Streaming, apps, gym you don't go to. Food delivery, $200 to $400. Impulse buys, $100. That's easily $600 to $800 per month gone, without improving your life. Cancel 3 things this week that don't add real value. Create a fun budget, $50 per week. Stick to it. Replace expensive habits with low-cost versions. Cook 3 times a week instead of ordering out. Try no-spend weekends once a month. You don't need to be frugal. You need to be intentional. Number 4. Build a power side hustle. Here's a truth most personal finance gurus don't talk about. You can only cut so much. In today's world, depending solely on your 9 to 5 is like sailing a boat with one oar. You'll move, but painfully slow. After a point, saving more requires earning more. That's where side hustles come in. Side hustle ideas that actually work. Are you good at writing, design, video editing, or coding? Fiverr, Upwork $25 to $100 per hour gigs. Online coaching or tutoring. Good at math, music, fitness, or language. Teach via Zoom, $500 per month. Flipping stuff. Buy at thrift stores. Sell on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Profit margins, 200 to 500%. Use the 100% rule. Put every dollar from your side hustle directly into your savings goal. Don't work harder to stay broke. Work smarter to break free. Number 5. Sell stuff you don't use. Look around you. Your clutter is quietly costing you money. That unused treadmill? The designer jacket you wore once? The extra phone collecting dust? They're not just taking up space. They're holding back your savings goals. You might be sitting on a gold mine of unused junk. Let's do a quick exercise. Go through your closet, garage, and tech drawer. Look for old phones, cameras or electronics, unused furniture, name brand clothing, shoes and bags, collectibles. List them on eBay, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace. You can easily make $1,000 to $3,000 in a weekend. One of my friends sold his old guitar, gaming console, extra furniture, and vintage sneakers, netting over $1,800 in just 10 days on Facebook Marketplace. That quick win gave him the momentum to save his first $5,000 within 3 months. Keep only what sparks joy. Now add, sell what sparks cash. Don't let clutter sit. Make it work for you. Number 6. Set the 3-bucket system. Saving $10,000 can seem daunting, but with the right strategy, it becomes achievable. Alex, who used to spend excessively on dining out and gadgets, often falling short on rent and bills. Adopting the 3-bucket system helped Alex prioritize his expenses. He allocated 50% of his income to essentials, 30% to savings, and 20% to discretionary spending. This shift not only improved his financial discipline but also allowed him to start investing in stocks, paving the way towards financial independence. By embracing structured saving, individuals can achieve financial goals faster while enjoying peace of mind. Remember, it's not about restricting yourself but about smart allocation and disciplined spending. Start today. Divide your income wisely, prioritize savings, and watch your financial stability grow. Number 7. Reprogram your money mindset. Average persons stay broke not because of a lack of income, but because of deep-rooted money beliefs. Let's do a mindset check. Do you believe you aren't good with money? Do you feel guilty saving while others are spending? Do you think rich people got lucky? If yes, it's time to upgrade your mindset. Most people aren't failing because of low income. They're failing because their mindset still runs on spend now, worry later mode. People chase short-term pleasure, impulse shopping, tech upgrades, while complaining about long-term struggles like debt and zero savings. They don't realize that every purchase is a vote for the kind of future they're building or destroying. Divya used to think saving was boring and restrictive. She'd say, "What's the point of money if I can't enjoy it?" Fast forward 2 years. She's still renting, still broke, and still scrolling Instagram for things she can't afford. Doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. When your mindset changes, your savings explode. Number 8. Use FOMO to your advantage. Fear of missing out usually makes us spend recklessly. Try these mental hacks. Visualize. Imagine 6 months from now, you're still broke. Now imagine having $10,000 and feeling peace, pride, and power. Build a vision board. Add pictures of things $10K will help with. Your business, your dream trip, your debt freedom emergency fund. Use that FOMO to stay on track. Use emotion to fuel discipline. Number 9. Track, reflect, adjust weekly. Most people set goals. Only a few check in with themselves. Set weekly check-in template every Sunday. How much did I save this week? What worked? What tempted me to overspend? What can I improve next week? Track your progress visually. Use a Google Sheet or a physical chart. Every $1,000 saved is equal to one milestone. What gets tracked grows. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how smartly you grow it. Drop a comment. What's your savings goal in the next 6 months? Let's encourage each other. I believe in the power of shared knowledge. If this video inspired you, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more transformative tips. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.